In the unseen corners of our world, in the secret lives of creatures, there thrives an intriguing paradox. A dance of survival and sacrifice, where the hunter and the hunted share an uncanny bond. Today, we peel back the veil and step into the world of a creature that embodies this paradox. The snake. Serpents renowned for their slithering elegance and feared for their venomous bite are a marvel of evolutionary design. With over 3,000 species scattered across the globe, these creatures have adapted to an array of environments, from the scalding deserts to the icy tundras. But today, we delve into a peculiar behavior that might seem unthinkable to many of us, an act that, on the surface, appears to be a betrayal of the very essence of motherhood. We talk about an instance of serpents consuming their offspring, their eggs in fact. Ophidian cannibalism, as scientists call it, is not born out of malice or hunger, but rather a complex interplay of survival instincts and environmental factors. When a snake lays eggs, they are her investment in the future, her contribution to the continuance of her species. But in a world where survival is the ultimate game, sometimes she is forced to make a choice that defies our understanding. When food is scarce, or when the environment turns hostile, a snake might resort to consuming her eggs. It's a desperate measure, a gamble of sorts. By doing so, she is reabsorbing the nutrients she invested in her offspring, essentially trading the future for a chance at survival in the present. Yet there's a certain melancholy beauty to this. It's a heartbreaking testament to the harsh realities of nature, and a reminder of the lengths a mother, even a snake, will go to in order to survive. To wrap it up, we've journeyed into the fascinating world of snakes and explored a behavior that, while unsettling, offers a glimpse into the relentless struggle for survival that defines the natural world. We've seen how, in times of extreme adversity, a snake might consume her own eggs, reclaiming the nutrients she invested in them, in a bid to survive. It's a stark reminder of the unforgiving, yet awe-inspiring rules that govern the world around us. In the grand scheme of things, these acts of survival serve as poignant reminders of the intricate and often harsh realities that underpin the breathtaking spectacle we call nature. And as we continue to uncover these hidden truths, we grow ever more aware of the delicate balance that holds our world together. So, the next time you marvel at the wonders of the natural world, spare a thought for the snake and the extraordinary lengths she goes to in the dance of survival.